Good evening, India. Welcome back to DJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines. Bihar teacher transfer policy stirs male teachers' concerns. The Bihar government's new teacher transfer policy has sparked protests, especially among male teachers. The policy mandates transfer every 5 years but allows female teachers to stay within their panchayat while male teachers may be posted outside their subdivision. This has raised concerns about family separation and logistical challenges. Teacher unions are demanding the policy's withdrawal, citing the disparity in treatment between male and female teachers. Although the policy allows teachers to choose up to 10 preferred locations, male teachers fear being assigned far from home, affecting their family responsibilities. ED raids 25 locations linked to IAS officer in Jharkhand corruption case. The Enforcement Directorate (ED) carried out raids across 25 locations in Jharkhand targeting IAS officer Manish Ranjan in connection with the Jal Jeevan Mission corruption case. The mission aimed at providing clean drinking water has faced corruption allegations. The raids affected properties linked to Ranjan's relatives and associates. These actions follow Prime Minister Narendra Modi's earlier comments about corruption in the project. The ED's probe has caused political tensions, with the BJP accusing the state government of mismanagement ahead of upcoming elections. Bihar set to host Women's Asian Hockey Championship in Rajgir. For the first time, Bihar will host the Women's Asian Hockey Championship trophy from November 11 to 20 in Rajgir. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar will flag off the Hockey Gaurav Yatra to raise awareness about the event, which features teams from 6 countries including India, China and Japan. The event is part of the state's growing focus on sports development. The upgraded Rajgir Stadium with international standard turf will serve as the venue. The initiative aims to boost local athletes and Bihar sports culture. Bihar Sport DM ranking released. Banka tops Araria at bottom. Bihar has introduced its first district magistrate DM performance ranking, with Banka's DM topping the list and Araria DM scoring the lowest. The rankings issued by the Revenue and Land Reforms Department are based on resolving land disputes, monitoring schemes and administrative efficiency. Banka's DM Anshul Kumar scored the highest with 56.80 points, while Araria's DM managed just 20.9 points. The ranking will be updated monthly to ensure accountability. Patna ranked low at 34th, sparking calls for improvement in underperforming districts. Giriraj Singh defends Hindu Swabhiman Yatra amid criticism. Union Minister Giriraj Singh defended Hindu Swabhiman Yatra against political backlash, emphasizing its aim to unite Hindus. The Yatra, scheduled from October 18 to 22, will cover various districts in Bihar, including Bhagalpur and Kishanganj. Singh questioned why other political figures were not scrutinized for organizing rallies while his event was criticized. Opposition parties accused him of stoking religious tension for political gain, but Singh insisted that the Yatra is focused on unity and addressing challenges faced by the Hindu community.